Okay, this is the first bedroom that I'm going to work on. And let me preface this to say that I am not a professional, but I did learn everything that I knew about construction from my dad, who used to be in construction and worked for other companies until he became a contractor and was working for himself. So I worked with him many times. And then I also took a course in architectural drafting and design. It was a 2-year course. And then I also, during my career, I worked as an accountant. So I didn't do this, but I did it on the side a lot because I just enjoyed doing it. So I'm going to be redoing 3 bedrooms. And what happened here, there was a leak, and I repaired the leak, but I didn't know how to stipple the ceiling to make it match. So that is as far as I've gotten. And I haven't decided yet whether I want to try to learn how to get that stipple to match or just try to strip the whole thing. But that's one thing I've got to correct. And of course, I'm going to paint in here, and you'll also notice that I'm a bit of a pack rat, or maybe a hoarder. For some reason, I save all the boxes from most of the things that I bought. I don't know why, I just do. And so I'm going to try to not become a hoarder anymore, get rid of all these boxes. And there's also a place where my control panel for my heater used to be, but I had to get a new heater, and they took it out and put it up in the attic. So I've got to repair that. And I'm going to take up the carpet in here and put in new flooring, paint, and then of course fix that ceiling. And basically I use this as my office, and then get rid of a lot of stuff that I've just been having sitting around. Then this is the second bedroom. Also a bit of a hoarder. I'm going to do the same thing in here, paint. Ceiling looks pretty good in here, depending on how that goes there. If I strip it, if it's fairly easy, but these ceilings are fine, I may leave them. I haven't decided. I'm going to take up the carpet and basically paint and put in the flooring the same as that other bedroom. In my master bedroom, I have already done the painting that I think I'm going to keep, but I am going to take up the carpet, put in that same flooring, ceiling. There again, depending on how it goes in the other bedrooms. If it's easy to remove the stippled ceiling, I'll remove it, but if not, I'll just let it be. And then the other place that I'm going to do is the master bedroom closet. I'm going to take up the carpet, put in the same flooring, paint, and probably get rid of a lot of these suits and ties because I haven't worn a suit and tie in years. And I think I'll probably want to be buried in a t-shirt and jeans. And so that is all that I'm going to do here. So then I will take you downstairs and show you how I calculated the first thing I did was to calculate the flooring, the square footage that I'll need. And I did that by measuring all 4 of the rooms that I'm going to do. For example, this first bedroom, it was 10 foot by 11 square. Then the closet was 12.75 inches, 2.6 inches by 5.1 inches, which came out to 12.75 square feet. Just multiply that 5.1 by 2.6, multiply the 10 foot by 11 foot, which comes out to 110 square feet. And then you add those two together, came out to 122.75 square feet. You do that for each room, and for all 4 of the rooms, came out to 520 square feet. Add in 10%, and then it comes out to a total of 573 square feet. The reason you add in 10% is because there's going to be some loss where you have to cut boards, maybe you're going to make mistakes, and then just the reason that you cut board, it's not going to equal out. But the 10% is just a cushion to make sure that you have enough. Okay, and this is the flooring that I put in my, it's really a dining room, but I use it as sort of a music room. I just love this flooring because it's antique barn wood from Lowe's. It fit together so well. It's 12 millimeters thick, and I just love it. So I'm going to put it in all 3 bedrooms and the master bedroom closet. That is it for this first video.